Every second, there are billions of searches performed on Google, and the majority of search results pages include Google Ads. Paid for by businesses, Google Ads is an effective way of driving relevant, qualified traffic to your website exactly when people are searching for the types of products or services your business offers. Let's start making our first Google Ads campaign. First, we'll switch to expert mode to have full control. Google will ask about our campaign goal, but we'll choose to create one without their guidance. This way, we have complete control. Next, we pick a campaign type. We're making a search campaign with simple text ads, like the ones you see on Google search results. Later, we'll decide which keywords trigger our ads. Now, we decide what happens when someone clicks our ad. For example, we want to bring new visitors to our online store selling standing desks. So, we put in our store's URL and click Continue. Next, we set general campaign settings. We give our campaign a clear name. Then, we deselect display networks to avoid wasting money on irrelevant clicks. You can keep the search network enabled if you like, but I prefer turning it off at first to focus on Google's main search engine. Then, we click on Show More Settings. Here, you can set start and end dates for your campaign. If you won't be checking your ads regularly, it's smart to set an end date to avoid unexpected charges on your credit card. If you want your ads to appear only at specific times of the day, you can set your ad schedule here. Now, let's talk about targeting and audiences. You want your ads to reach the right people, your ideal customers. Click on Advanced Search to select the locations you want to target. You can be broad or narrow, depending on your audience. Let's say we only ship to the US, so we'll choose United States and click Save. Then, click on Location Options and change the target to Presence, ensuring your ads reach people physically in the United States. For languages, select the language your customers speak, like English in our example. We'll skip the Audience tab for now since we don't have any audiences to target. Now, let's move on to budget and bidding. First, choose the currency for your advertising costs. Then, decide on your average daily budget. Let's set it at $10, which means Google won't spend more than $300 per month on this campaign, $10 a day over 30 days. Google will optimize when to show your ads, sometimes spending more or less than $10 a day but keeping within the monthly budget. You can always come back later to adjust these settings. Now, let's talk about bidding. These settings determine how much you're willing to pay for a click on your ad and your bidding strategy. To start this campaign, we'll focus on clicks and set our maximum cost per click bid limit to $1. I also recommend setting up conversion tracking with Google Analytics so you can later optimize your bidding strategy for conversions. Next, let's talk about ad extensions. These are handy because they make your ad bigger, taking up more space in Google search results. This usually leads to more clicks, which boosts your ad's quality score. A higher quality score means you pay less for each click. So, we definitely want to use ad extensions. For this campaign, we'll add 4 site link extensions leading to different pages on our online store, and some call-out extensions too. Google might not always show all your extensions, but it's still worth adding them because if they do show up, it increases your click-through rate by taking up more space on Google. Click Save and continue to move on. Now, we're at the ad group level, where we choose the keywords, search terms, for our ads. I suggest dedicating one ad group to one keyword group to keep ads relevant. This strategy boosts our quality score, helping us get a better position on Google and pay less for clicks. For example, in the first ad group, we'll target the keyword standing desk, naming the ad group accordingly. Then, we'll choose our keyword match types. For now, let's start with exact match by putting brackets around our keyword. This means our ad will show up when someone types in standing desk exactly. Next, we'll use the phrase match by putting quotation marks around our keyword. This means our ad can show up when someone types in a phrase including standing desk. We'll also use modified broad match so our ad shows up when people use words like standing and desk in their search phrase. Now that we've set up our first ad group, we can start another for a different keyword. Let's go for height adjustable desk this time. We'll use the same match types as before but applied to this new keyword. You can repeat this process for all your main keywords, but remember, you can always come back later to add more ad groups and keywords. Once done, click Save and Continue. Now, we're at the ad level of our campaign. Here, we create the actual ads for our ad groups. These ads are what people see when they type in our targeted keywords. Let's create our first ad for the standing desk, keyword, and ad group. We'll add 3 headlines, making sure to include our keyword, standing desk, for relevance. The display path is what people see in the ad, but it's not where they go when they click. We can use this to make our ad more relevant to our keyword, so we'll use standing desk here. For the ad description, we'll also use our keyword once or twice and fill up as much space as possible with text. This is because we want our ads to take up as much space as they can to increase our click-through rate. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a preview of how your ad looks on mobile and desktop. You can create more ads for the same keyword by clicking Done and Create Next AD. I suggest making 3 different ads per ad group to see which one performs best for your keyword. Then, move on to the next ad group. For example, in our campaign, create 3 different ads for the keyword Height Adjustable Desk. Once you've created all your ads, click Save and Continue. Google will review your ads and activate them if everything's set up correctly. Optimizing campaign performance. Continuous optimization is essential for maximizing ROI and driving long-term success with Google Ads. Advertisers must monitor campaign performance metrics closely, identify areas for improvement, and implement strategic optimizations to enhance campaign effectiveness. This includes adjusting bidding strategies to maximize ad visibility within budget constraints, refining keyword targeting to improve relevancy and ad rank, and optimizing ad creatives and landing pages to increase conversion rates. Measuring success. Measuring the success of Google Ads campaigns is critical for evaluating performance, identifying areas of strength and weakness, and making data-driven decisions to optimize future campaigns. Advertisers must track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as conversions, return on ad spend, ROAS, click-through rates, CTR, and quality scores to assess campaign effectiveness and allocate resources effectively. Additionally, leveraging advanced analytics tools and attribution models can provide deeper insights into the customer journey and the impact of advertising efforts across various touchpoints. Digital marketing with Google Ads offers businesses unparalleled opportunities to reach and engage their target audience effectively. By crafting compelling ads, targeting the right audience segments, optimizing campaign performance, and measuring success through data-driven insights, businesses can maximize ROI and achieve their marketing objectives in today's competitive digital landscape. With strategic planning, continuous optimization, and a commitment to delivering value to customers, Google Ads can serve as a powerful tool for driving growth, increasing brand visibility, and generating sustainable business results. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.